Boat turned and the fish is gone? How can you control the beam, the motor and your rod all at the same time? FishLock Live. It is full control, complete confidence. 2 scanning modes. 360 degrees scanning around the boat. Gyro-stabilized scanning. It locks the beam direction. Even the boat turns, the scan stays locked on target. Rotation-proof target lock. The remote control is right on the rod. Robust and reliable. 1-finger control. A press stops the scanning. During the cast or the retrieve, find control of the beam direction. A press starts with small turns and flows into continuous rotation until the button is released. The control panel adjusts parameters such as scanning speed, scanning direction, scanning width, and control all processes. This button is designed for adjusting backlight brightness. Also enables the mode for night fishing. Mounting device is easy. Insert, rotate, and it's securely fixed. Lift from the water, pull, turn and lock. Place into the boat, pull, turn and lock. Remove the control unit. Install the manual handle if you prefer. Adapter for Garmin LVS32 or Garmin LVS34. Choose your view, forward, down or perspective. The shape and size minimize water resistance. Mounts on the right side or on the left side of the boat. Tested and ready for extreme conditions. Take control of live sonar. FishLock Live, link in description.